Hello and welcome to Polymer Update TV, the world's first and the only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. It is Wednesday, March 18th. I am Indra Singh. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Ahmedabad-based Sumiran Master Batch Private Limited. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude oil prices declined sharply on Tuesday amid uncertainties of a slump in the global economy due to the coronavirus pandemic. Also, the oil price war between Russia and Saudi Arabia to boost the oil export further pulled prices lower. Brent crude prices plunged by $1.32, settling at $28.73 per barrel, while WTI futures plummeted by $1.75, settling at $26.95 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, Brent futures were marginally higher early Wednesday in Asia amid bargain hunting buying, albeit an anemic one. WTI was trading mostly flat. Open spec naphtha prices edged higher by $1 per metric ton to the $270 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. On Tuesday, bearish upstream crude and naphtha values pulled propylene and ethylene prices lower across the Asian regions. Persistent weaker regional buying sentiments coupled with weaker downstream PP and PE demand and pricing trends further supported the price fall. Moving on to the Asian market updates for polypropylene, polyethylene and polyvinyl chloride. In polypropylene, this week PP prices down adjusted in Asia. Prices fell as demand trends continue to remain bearish across the Asian regions. Bearish upstream energy and propylene rates and a steep fall in PP futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China further pressure prices lower. In HDPE, this week, HDPE prices decline in Asia. The price fall was triggered by a steep week-on-week drop in upstream crude, naphtha and ethylene values coupled with persistent poor buying sentiments in the region. In PVC, PVC prices plunged in Asia this week. The steep price fall was on the back of an announcement of a sharp drop in import offers from the overseas producers. Meanwhile, the Indian domestic producers slashed their PVC resin suspension grade prices by ₹2.50 per kg basic with effect from March 18, 2020. For detailed price assessments of PP, PE and PVC, we invite you to subscribe to Polymer Update. Our weekly benchmark price assessments and analysis are available on our website for all our subscribers to benefit from. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Ahmedabad-based Sumiran Master Batch Private Limited, a manufacturer, wholesaler and distributor of color master batches, PE master batches, blow film master batches, color granules, lamination, multi-layer lamination, etc. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch a daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Wednesday, March 18th. I am Indra Singh. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.